Now, everyone is able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay, right. Very good, very good. So, okay, write down. Yesterday, I showed you one configuration number 1, correct? Correct. Now. Yesterday, I showed you configuration number 1. That means chapter number 2 is technical objects. Chapter number 2.1, material master. Material master 2.1, part 1, configurations for material master. In that, I showed you configuration number 1. What was the configuration? Define industry type. Correct now? Hello? Correct now? Define industry type. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, I showed you how to do industry type. Now write down configuration number 2. Configuration number 2. Write down,
Okay.
define material groups. Material groups. Okay. Tell me what is a material group. Tell me what is material group. Hello.
Yeah, they can.
Yes.
There are types of materials that belong to the same class, the same specifications.
Okay. Material group, for example, if you are getting a raw material, the raw material can be stainless steel raw material. The raw material can be aluminium raw material. The aluminium raw material can be brass raw material. Okay, different materials. Or it can be chemicals. It can be any chemicals like HCl, HCSO4, H2SO4, like that, some chemicals. Or it can be solvent, cleaning agents, cleaning of your parts, no? So that one. Or anything like tools, it can be tools. So that raw material, different groups will be there. So we'll create 2 groups. Okay, so 2 groups will be created. So you write down SPRO, I mean that path SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG, then logistics general. Logistics, yesterday path, same path. Logistics general. Okay, logistics general.
So this time around is not through the organizational structure.
No. Every time organization structure.
Enterprise structure. Enterprise structure rather.
Only for when we create organization. All others are in this only. Logistics general, materials management, plant maintenance. Now we are come back to plant maintenance now.
Okay.
That is only for learning. That's all. Because I wanted you to show you how a business operates.
Okay.
How business enterprises are there. That is only preliminary. This is your plant maintenance job now.
Okay.
So now only we are entering plant maintenance. So basics. Again, plant maintenance still directly we have not entered. Now from functional location once it comes now, that time correctly we'll be entering this one. This is also related to plant maintenance. Okay. So this is not direct. Then next chapter will be BOM, bill of material. You all know what is a BOM, no? Bill of material.
Yeah, bill of, yes.
Yeah, so we'll once we come to bill of material, more of plant maintenance, because we'll have functional BOM and equipment BOM. There are 2 things we'll be having. You heard work center, no? Work center.
Yes.
So those, when we come to that, then we are directly entering to plant maintenance. Now also we are entered, but like if you are entering a town, no, city, outside some 20 kilometers. Now we have to go on coming inside, like that. It is. From outside we are coming inside. So one by one, we have to go on doing it. So write down. Now it is material master, no? Material master. So different path. Okay. So write down logistics general.
Okay.
Then material master. Then settings for key fields. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth one?
Yes.
Settings for key fields. Write down.
Okay. Settings for key field.
Settings for key fields. FIELDS fields. Settings for key fields. Okay, write down.
Define material.
Yes.
Yeah, define, sorry, not define, it is material master, then settings for keywords. Okay, then you click that settings for
Define
keywords,
material group.
then define material groups. This one, first one. Define material. You are done, huh?
Yes.
Who is, I mean, who is speaking? Kingsley. Huh?
Yes, Kingsley.
Yes, sir.
Kingsley. Kingsley, you already done this.
I just written it down now. Define
Okay.
material group. Yes.
Okay, right. No problem. So then you click on define material groups. Click on define material groups. Now we have 1, 3, 5 people are there, 5 persons. Still 2 people are missing today. Okay, so define material groups. Click here. Once you click it, it will come here. Now I'll define what are the materials you are using in plant maintenance.
Different types of material.
Tell me.
Yeah,
Just
in
give me
terms
2
of
examples.
yeah,
Two
We
in
use
terms of
bolts and
Huh?
nuts. We use bolts and
in
nuts.
terms
We
of
use
in terms of metal, so we use both and not
carbon
Okay,
steel,
stainless steel, carbon steel,
okay,
coated
we'll
carbon.
make it. Okay, we'll make one SS. Another one we'll make tools. We'll make tools. Tools we'll make. Tools are we'll make spares. We'll make spares.
Okay.
Spares are bolts and nuts. No, so all those things we'll make. So new entries you click on new entries. Now what I'll do is I will name the material group. So you can give a code here. Code can be 4 digit or 5 digits, no problem. Same alphabetic, alphanumeric, numeric. So what I will do is I will give like this. My company is Dover D. Okay, DMG1. Dover material group 1. Okay, so I will say SS material. Here Dell, Dover Engineering Limited. Here I will define SS material used as spare machine spares at Dover Engineering. Dover. Okay, like this will go. Okay, write down. Now next one is DMG2. DMG2. Here I will say what you told spares. Okay. Okay. Here I will say spares material, spares used at Dover. Okay. Write down.
So what you're doing now is you are defining
Two material groups.
The groups.
Groups. When
Okay.
I am making my material master, then this all will come there. I will show you when we are doing material master. That time I will show you that you will understand that time.
Oh.
Write down and tell me.
Okay.
We'll go further. Okay, written.
Just more remaining.
No problem. Write down. Okay. Done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
I
So
don't
shall
know
I
for
enter?
that.
Shall I enter and save?
Please respond. Please let's respond if you are done.
Okay. I will say that everyone is done. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Then press enter and save it. Enter and save. Okay. So this is completed. We have completed the second configuration. Okay. So now write down configuration number 3. Configuration number 3. Write down. Define purchasing groups. Define purchasing groups. Define purchasing group. What is this purchasing group means? In big companies, there will be purchasing group only purchasing SS material. There will be purchasing group, there will be only purchasing spares. There will be purchasing group, there will be purchasing only chemicals. Like that. No different material groups they will be purchasing. So we'll create two purchasing group, one for SS material, another for spares. So we'll put like that. Okay. Now you write down the path SPRO, then
Okay.
see SPRO and SAP reference IMG is common for backend configuration.
Yeah.
SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. Okay. SPRO, SAP reference IMG.
Yes.
Then materials management. Can you see materials management? Materials management. Okay, materials management. In materials management, purchasing. Can you see that? Purchasing. 1, 2, 3, third one. Purchasing. Okay.
Yes.
Purchasing. In purchasing, we have to go to material master. Purchasing material master. Okay, we'll go to material master. In this second one, define purchasing value keys. Can I see?
Okay.
Second one, define.
Okay.
No, sorry, not this. I'm sorry. You have to go to here, purchasing, then create purchasing groups. I'm going to create purchasing groups. So
So
there we'll go.
not material master, right?
No,
Create
material master is
purchasing.
okay. I will tell you. You write down SPRO, SAP IMG, then
Yes.
materials management, then
Purchasing.
purchasing, then no
Yes.
material master, direct. Fifth one, create purchasing groups.
Okay.
Create purchasing. Okay, there we'll go. Create purchasing groups. Create purchasing groups.
Okay.
Create purchasing groups. We'll go there. Okay, here also we'll create two purchasing groups for two materials groups. One is SS, another is spares. So you write down new entries, click on new entries. Here only 3-digit code I can put, that's all. I can't put more than 3 digits. Okay, so here I will say D is for Dover, P is for purchasing, and one is group 1. DP1 and DP2. DP2. Okay, here I will give a description. Purchasing group for SS at Dover. Oh, it will not take. So purchasing group SS. Okay. And purchasing groups. Spares. So here also it will not take. Okay, so I'll slightly reduce the put like this. Purchasing group spares. SPR means spares. So right now.
Sorry, this SS, what does it mean? Is it stainless steel or what?
SS means stainless steel.
Okay.
SS means stainless steel. We'll create two material in the front end. This is all back end. No? So we'll create two material in the front end. One will be SS material, another is a spare material.
Okay.
So that I will be creating and I'll be showing you. So that's the reason I've taken two groups now. Okay, write down.
Okay, sorry. Let me get it clear.
Ah,
I mean, you said, okay, one we are creating for SS material and one we are creating for spare material, right?
correct.
So I'm asking, the SS, is it stainless steel?
SS means stainless steel. Correct.
Okay,
SS
correct.
means
Okay,
stainless.
that's the standard. Thank you.
No,
Thank
that
you.
is SS is a standard. Wherever you
Yeah.
go in the world, if you say
Yeah.
SS, they will understand.
Yeah,
It
I
is
just
a
want.
stainless steel.
Yeah, I just want to get
Okay,
that
no,
clarity.
what you call SS in your company?
It's
SS
stainless
material.
steel. It's stainless steel.
No, don't you call with the number, ASTA number, ASTM
Okay.
number,
Okay, ASTM number.
ASTM, ASTM, ASTM,
Yeah.
ASTM number or Japanese number. We call Japanese, or in India we have a different number. So likewise. So we in Japanese we call it as SKH, SKH series, SKH. In American standard, ASTM standards. And British standard is EN standards.
Yeah.
So, okay, so I don't know what you call in Nigeria, what you call it.
Yeah. So we
We
make use
still
of those
call
standards.
SS.
Huh? You call
We normally
directly.
use SST.
Yeah, SS, and we use
Directly.
ASTM. We use
ASTM.
ASCII and the rest of them.
Okay, good. Very good. Write down.
Yeah.
Then press enter and save it. Enter and save. So we have completed configuration number 4, no? Configuration number 4 we have completed, correct? One is first yesterday we did define industry type. Second one today we did it, and what was material group, no? We did material, no, fourth, third one we completed. Then define purchasing groups, correct? Now third we have completed. Now you write down configuration number 4. 4 and 5 both are in one place only. 4 and 5
One place.
one place, means path is same path.
Okay.
Configuration number 4 and 5. Write down configuration number 4 and 5. Okay. Now you tell me, you write down the title, configuration number 4 and 5. Write down
Yes.
the title. Plant parameters. Parameters. PARAMETER.
Yeah, parameter. Okay.
Parameters for plant parameters for
Okay.
MRP. Plant parameters for MRP.
MRP. Okay.
MRP.
Yeah.
So
What is
does it mean?
MRP? You have to tell. What is MRP?
Material request. What, Abi? Is it material
Yeah.
request?
Not request. Material requirement.
Material
Requirement.
requirement.
P means planning. So write down material requirement planning.
Okay.
Material requirement planning. What is material requirement planning? Tell me.
So
What
material.
is
Okay.
what is material requirement planning? Tell me. What is material requirement planning? Okay. Now, if you want the material, like for example, if you want the spares, whom you are going to ask? Spares are now, stock is not there in your company. In your plant, you don't have spares now. Stock has become zero. Whom you will ask?
Yeah. The you raise what we do is that we raise material request through the warehouse.
Very good, super. That's the method, correct method. To the warehouse, huh? Okay, you do like that. But normally they give to purchasing department. That purchase requisition they will give. They will give a requisition for purchase. Okay, no problem. So that how much you will ask? How much you will ask? Quantity, quantity. How much you are asking?
Beyond my need.
Beyond your need, correct. Beyond
Yeah.
need. Suppose if you want 100 numbers, you will add some 10% or 20%, say 110 or 220.
Yeah,
Correct.
for
No?
the spare. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
No? Correct. No. But how will come to know 100 only is required? So that is what material requirement plan. See, suppose for example, imagine that you are not working in Dover, you are working in Pepsi company, Pepsi bottling.
Okay.
Imagine that you are working in Pepsi bottling company. If that Pepsi drink, no, bottle, Pepsi bottles, that drink, we need 1,000 bottles. 1,000 bottle market demand is there. People are asking 1,000 numbers to please give. How many caps are required? Cap. How many caps are required?
8,000 plus.
1000 plus some 1% or something. Okay, 1000, correct? No, simple. 1000 bottles means 1000 caps. Simple. No?
Yep. Okay.
Okay, now that cap is made of plastic. Okay, made out of plastic, polypropylene or some this one. Okay, for making one cup, oh sorry, one cap, how much plastic is required? Tell me. Very difficult, no? You don't know that. Nobody knows. Even I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, so that is material requirement planning. There will be a person who is known as material requirement planning controller. He will calculate. He will calculate how much material is required, how much material is required in each and every stages, and how for which machine the material is required, which is the machine, who is the person who will be doing the job, everything he will be knowing. His name is material requirement planning control, MRP controller. So that only we are going to do now. So write down configuration number 4 and 5. So first one is MRP controller. We have to define MRP controller. So write down
Okay.
configuration number 4, define
Yeah.
MRP controller.
No, configuration number, is that configuration number 4 and
4 and
5? We've
5.
written
4 and 4, 4
plant,
and 5.
plant. Yeah,
No, no.
we've
Plant.
written plant
Plant
parameters for MRP.
Plant parameters for MRP will have
MRP
two. We'll have two
controller.
areas. We'll have two
Okay.
areas. One is
Okay.
MRP controller. 4 and 5, there are two. 4 and 5 plant parameters for MRP, there are two. 4 is MRP controller. 5 is schedule margin key. I will tell you what is schedule margin. Once we go inside, I will tell you what is schedule margin.
Okay, so should we just add it now? And
No, you write down only now MRP controller. Configuration number 4, MRP controller. Define
okay.
MRP controller.
Define.
You understood what is an MRP controller? No? You understood, no? What is an MRP controller?
Material
Yes.
requirement.
Yes,
So,
yes.
okay.
Mm,
So
the
now
center
we'll
for that.
go.
Define
So,
MRP
yeah, MRP controller.
controller.
Define MRP controller. Path you write down. SPRO, SAP IMG, SAP reference IMG,
Okay, oh no. SPRO,
SAP reference
Yeah.
IMG,
SAP reference.
IMG.
Eh?
Yeah.
No, just
Tell me.
you are echoing it.
Okay, sorry.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
go ahead.
Go ahead.
What's the
Go ahead.
question?
Go ahead. No
Okay.
question. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, no problem. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. James.
Yeah.
A very good job, James. You have done a beautiful job. I saw that.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Very good. Yes. Okay, right. Now SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Now only I saw you. Now only you joined. You joined late. Okay, so yeah, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then materials management. See here. Materials management. Materials management. Then second one, consumption based planning. Can you see that? Consumption based planning. Consumption based planning. Okay, then in that consumption based planning, we have to go to plant parameters. Plant parameters. Okay, plant parameters. In this plant parameters, we have to go to the first one. Carry out, only one is there. Carry out overall maintenance of plant parameters. Write down. Carry out overall maintenance of plant parameters. Write down. Okay. Carry out overall maintenance of plant parameters. Okay, then you tick this. Okay, now you click on create. Create, there is create, maintain, delete, copy. First we have to go to create. Click on create. Okay. Click on create. Now plant. What is my plant?
DER1.
Very good. DER1. Correct. Write down. DER1. DER1. Write down. Then click on create. Click on create. Okay. Now again click on create. Again you have to click on create. Okay. Again click on create. Now you tick this. Creation is completed. So you just tick this customizing request. You tick it. Okay. So it says plant parameters for plant B or M can be maintained. Now we have created it. Now we will maintain it. Okay. So creation is completed. So what we'll do, we'll maintain the plant. Now what we have to do, go to maintain. Second one. Click on maintain. Okay. Okay. Are you writing, all of you?
Everything.
Okay. Then click on maintain. Okay. Click on maintain. In maintain, you can see by default the name of the plant has come there. So write down plant is DER1. DER1. Right. Okay. Plant is DER1. Then again click on maintain. Click on maintain. Okay. Click on maintain. Now there is a big screen which is opened. Write down MRP controller and floats. This is configuration number 4, MRP controller. Then configuration number 5 is floats or schedule margin key. Floats / schedule. There are two names for floats. One is floats, another is schedule margin key. Schedule means SCHEDULE. Schedule or schedule. In American, this one they call it schedule. So I am also pronouncing schedule. Okay. So you write down MRP controller and floats. Floats, and you can also write schedule margin key. So write down MRP controller. Can you see both, all of you? Master data, MRP controller and floats. Only write down this. Don't write anything else. Only write those two. Okay, write down and tell me.
So what are floats?
I will tell you. First we'll complete MRP controller, then I will explain to you what is floats. Okay, I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain to you. Floats, another name for floats is schedule margin key. You can also write schedule margin key. Both are same.
Schedule margin.
Schedule. SCHEDULE. Schedule.
Okay.
Schedule or schedule. Schedule is an American pronunciation. I don't know what you call schedule or schedule. What you call?
Yes, we use both too. Both.
Okay, you are using both. Okay, so schedule, because SAP is American now. See, it started from Germany, but it became American now. So you have to pronounce like that only. Schedule. What do you pronounce for ROUTING? What do you pronounce? ROUTING. What do you pronounce?
Routine.
In American terms, it is routing. Route, not
Route.
route.
Okay, routine.
Route,
Okay,
routing. Okay, so routing.
routing. Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. That also will have. Routing we are not having because we are not covering that. In PM it's not required. Okay, so you come to MRP controller. Written, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, then first one is MRP controller. You click on MRP controller. Now we have to create a MRP controller. So click on new entries. Click on new entries. Okay, click on new entries. Now plant. What is my plant?
DER1.
Okay, we'll create one MRP controller. We'll say D stands for door, M stands for MRP, C stands for controller, DMC will make. Okay, we'll say DER1 MRP controller 1. This short, don't worry about the short terms. CONTRLR means controller. Okay, so don't get confused. That MRP means material requirement plan. So that is a short forms. Okay, it's not standard. I have created. MRP is standard. CONTRLR is not standard. This I have done. You can write whatever the way you feel. No problem. Okay, so you can write down DRP, DER1, MRP controller 1. In any company, there can be multiple MRP controllers, not one person. There can be many MRP controllers. That's the reason I put 1. Okay, write down, tell me. Written. Hello.
Meeting.
Yeah, right. Write down, tell me. Huh? Once you complete, tell me. I'll go further.
Yeah, we are done.
Okay, very good. Very good. Then press enter. Press enter. Then save. Enter and save. Then tick this customizing request. Tick this. So we have completed MRP controller. 4th one. Now just click on back button. There is a top back button is there, no green color back top. Just beside save. Click that. Then click that. Click that till you come here. Till you come, you click that. That's all. You stop here. Here you can see MRP controller. Now it is maintained. Can you see? Floats to maintain. MRP controller already maintained. It was earlier to maintain. Now it has got maintained. Clear? Now you have to go to floats. Write down configuration number 5. Floats / schedule margin P or schedule margin P. Right. Floats, or you can also write schedule margin P.
Is that floats are?
Floats.
Or
FLOAT.
schedule
Floats.
margin.
One more name. You can write in bracket or you can put / and write whatever you are convenient. You can write down. One more name. Okay. So even there can be multiple addresses to that. So floats / schedule margin P.
Margin.
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 Margin. MARGIN.
GIN. Okay, correct.
Margin. Schedule margin key. KEY key. Okay. Schedule margin key. Someone is feeling sleepy. Who is feeling sleepy? Very early, no? You are getting up very early.
It's
For this
not easy.
class.
It's not easy.
Very tough, no? Very tough. What time you get up daily?
Let's
5
proceed.
o'clock.
Okay, then we'll go to floats. Okay, we'll go to floats. Now we'll go to new entries. We'll click on new entries. Okay, what is my plant?
Yeah,
DR1.
Then see here, I will fill up everything. Then I'll DR1. I will fill up everything. Then I will explain to you. Okay. First, let me fill it up. Okay. Slightly, I will adjust this. Slightly adjust. Okay. Slightly adjust. Now it's okay. So schedule margin key, I will say DSK. D means Dover, S means schedule margin, K means key. And opening period, I'll put as 2 days. This is days, DAYS, days. Then opening period is 2 days. OPPER means opening period. Then FLBEF is float before 1 day. FLAFTR is float after 1 day. RELPER is release period. That is also 1 day. Total 5 days. You write down.
Can you explain again?
Okay, I'll tell you. OPPER. Write down OPPER. OPPER means opening period. Opening period.
Opening what?
Opening period. PER means opening PER. OP means opening. PER means period. Opening period.
Okay, opening period.
Opening
Then
period. Okay.
opening period. Okay. FL means float. FLOAT, float. BEF is before. Float before. Okay. Then FL means float. AFTER means after. Float after. Okay. REL means release. PER means release period. So write down.
Okay.
Now I'll explain to you. You write down, everyone write down, I'll explain to you. Okay. Okay. Tell me once you're written, then we start. Explain.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm
So
done.
shall I? Okay. Right. Tell me once you're done.
Done.
So sorry, you said DSK means Dover.
Dover schedule. S means schedule and margin. S means schedule margin. K
Okay.
means key. I have, because only 3 digit I have to put now, 3 alphabets. So that's the reason I don't have much space. So what to do? So I have done like that.
Thank you. All right.
Okay, this is one of the key I have taken. You can prepare a lot of keys. DS1, DS2, DS3, DS4. In DSK, I have put opening period is 2 days, float before is 1 day, float after is 1 day, release period is 1 day. Now, what is this? Now, suppose, for example, you are working in a Pepsi bottling plant. Okay, imagine that you are working in a Pepsi bottling plant. Okay, now that this bottling of 1 lakh bottles takes around 30 days, 1 month, 30 days it takes. Okay, imagine for bottling 1 lakh bottles, you are taking 30 days. Is that enough? 30 days production time is enough, or you want additional time? You need additional time for planning you need. So here the planning department will be there in any company. There is one. You also have in Dover, no, production planning department. You are having production planning department in Dover.
We have planning department.
Planning department. So planning department will plan the extra time, means other than production time, they are also planning extra. So what they will do, they will open up one production order. They will say production order number 10565 something. Okay, and you have to you have to complete 1 lakh bottles, they will tell. Now they themselves will give 2 days extra for taking up the production. Means suppose today is what, May. What is May today? May 19th. No? May 19th. So if I'm giving production order today, that production department can take on May 21st, 2 days. They need not take today itself. Because what happens is, suppose let us say Pepsi bottling plant, the bottles might not be available, material might not be available, the solution might not be available, cap might not be available, label might not be available. So making all those ready, we are taking 2 days. Material availability. You understand? Hello. You understood? For making the material ready, I need additional days. 30 days is a production time, but it is not sufficient. I need additional days. Hello, clear? Clear?
Hmm.
So this is a
Okay,
bit,
okay, okay. 1 minute.
a bit complicated. If
No,
you can
one
explain.
minute. One minute. I'll explain. I'll explain. You are anyone is cooking here? Cooking. 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 Cook. Anyone cooks?
Cooking. Yeah, we do.
Cooking. Yeah, do cooking. No. Now you want to prepare one vegetable. Okay. Now vegetable, some salad or something you want to prepare. Like you are thinking today that I'll prepare. By magic, all vegetable will come to your house, or you have to go and purchase. Hello.
Yes, that's
Yeah, we
correct.
get you.
You have to go and purchase now. For purchase time, your salad preparation time might be half an hour, but purchasing time will be 2 hours. You have to go to market, purchase that, and bring it, clean it. All those are this only opening period. Preparation time. Okay, understood. So opening period means 2 days. The planning department itself has given 2 days. You take 2 days like that, they are telling. Okay, now today
So
tell
we
me.
can say the opening period, we can equally say is the preparation period.
Exactly. Preparation period given by planning department, not by us. Now, once it comes to production department, they are also taking one more day. Float before, you can see. Float before, you can see, I'll keep my cursor here. Float before production in days means they are also asking 1 day. Why they are asking? Because their machine is not ready. The plant department. They are telling this is planning department is giving. This is the production department they are asking. They are asking, give me additional 1 day because my machine is not ready. My machine is under breakdown. Already some job is going on. There is a queuing period is there. Like that, they will ask so many things. So they are given another 1 day. Now what happens? Production will start after 3 days. So 3 plus 30, 33 days production is completed. Correct? You understood now? Hello?
Yes, I get you.
Okay, so 33 days production is completed. Now 1 day production department is asking for dispatch. They have to pack it now, packing, SAP documentation, slip bear this one. They have to make a lot of documentation and they have to dispatch it now. You are also, I don't know whether you people have worked in production. In production, they will ask for packing. Packing, they will ask, they will be giving to QC, quality control, to purchase. All those things will take some time. So that they are asking 1 day extra there after production, not before production, after production. Okay, now what is happening? That material has gone out to another department. Release period is another department or stores. It has gone to stores. In store also, they are asking 1 day extra. They are telling that for processing from our side, we need another 1 day. So total time is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 days. So production is 30 days. Planning is 5 days, 35 days gone. Understood, no?
Okay, so if I got you clearly, all this number of days now represents the time it takes to purchase the raw material to the time it takes to release the finished product.
Very good, super, very good, Ekana. That is the right understanding you have. Till it goes to the product, from raw material to product. Correct, you are absolutely right. Okay, so 35 days it's taking in our case. Okay, now imagine that this is only 2 days. Okay, opening period. The raw material is available in Germany. Then how many days it will take to come? Probably 1 month, 2 months, 3 months it will take. So then our opening period will go to 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. It will increase. Correct? No? We are getting raw material in Nigeria itself. If you think that raw material is coming from Germany or France or US or Japan, it will take more time. No? From ship it has to come. It will take more time. Understood? So then you have to create one more schedule margin fee, DS1. Then you have to put some 30 days there in opening period. Other things will be same. Only that will take more time. You understood no? What I'm telling? Hello? Hello? You understood
Yes.
everyone?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're with you.
Okay, then press enter and save. Press enter and save. Slightly complicated because it is not plant maintenance, it is production. So that's the reason you will be a bit confused. But why I am teaching is all these things you should know. When you go for interview, they will ask you all these things. Okay, so then come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. That's all. So our configuration for material master is completed. Okay. Now we have to go to the front end. Okay. Now you write down chapter number 2.1, part 1 is completed. Chapter number 2.1, part 2. Chapter number 2.1, part 2. Now we have come to the front end. Back end is over now. So write down chapter number 2.1, part 2. Chapter number 2.1, part 2.
You say pipe or what?
No, not
Five.
Part
configuration number 4 and 5 is completed.
Part 2. Okay.
Part 2. Now, see, part 1 was configurations for material master. Part 2 is material master creation. Write down. Part 2 is material master creation. You have to create the material master front end. Front end you have to create it. Material master creation. Right now. Hello.
Yes.
Got you.
Yeah. So now you take the path. Now we have come front end. Front end will always start with SAP menu. I told in my earlier class now, SPRO means backend. SAP menu means front end. So
Means
come
what?
to
You said
SPRO means,
SPRO is back end, SAP is front end.
yeah, SAP
Okay,
menu
what
is
is-
front end. SAP menu is front end.
Okay. SAP menu is front end. Okay.
So you write down material master creation, then path you write down SAP menu. Okay, SAP menu, then logistics,
Okay.
SAP menu, logistics, then plant maintenance, then plant maintenance, then management of technical objects. Management of technical objects. Okay, management of technical objects. Then material. You can see material. Can you see that? Management of technical objects and material. Then click the material. Okay. Oh, this one is not, one sec, I have corrected. Extra settings, display technical names. Display technical names. The technical name was not there. So logistics, materials management, sorry, not materials management, logistics, plant maintenance, then management of technical objects, then material, then you write down this MM01, MM02, MM03, MMBE. Can you see? MM01, create, general, MM02, change, MM03, display, MMBE, stock overview. Write down, write down.
Okay.
Right now, MM01 means we have to create material master. MM02 is change or edit material master. MM03 is only display. MMB is stock. Stock we have to see, stock overview. Okay. Write down and tell me. Write down and tell me once you complete. Mustafa, are you finding it difficult now?
No.
Oh,
If not for the problem I encountered, I would have finished up to this, but no problem.
oh,
I will sort it
okay,
out.
okay. No, it is very easy only. Don't worry about it. It's very easy. Not difficult. Sorry. Write down.
Okay, I think I'm done from my end.
Okay, right. Then write down one more. I don't know whether it is there or not. No, it's not there. MM60. MM60, write down. MM60. MM60. MM60, write down material list. MM60, material list. MM60. Okay, material list. Okay. So now MM0 means we will be creating this material master. Okay. Once we have created the material master, we want to change something, we have to use MM02. And MM03 is only for display, for end users only. The people who are in end user team, no, that only they can see. They can't do anything. And MMB is stock. Stock, once we build a stock of material, we can go and check up in storage location. What stock of material is there? So we'll be using MMB. And MM60 is what all different material is available in our plant. We can see through a material list, MM60. Understood?
Yes, but it's not appearing in the list here.
No, it is not appearing. It I have told because I'll be using a lot of times.
Okay.
I'll be using. So because I am using, no, so I am putting that. It is not there. Don't worry. I saw that it's not there actually. Let us not worry. It is
Okay.
very important. Very important. Since it is important, then only I have told. See, if you go here, no, it will be there. I'll show you. So if you go to materials management, just close this one. You go to logistics materials management, then material master, then material, then you can see other MM60 material.
Okay.
It is there in other this one materials. In plant maintenance, they think that it is not required, but it is required. We can add up this in plant maintenance. Okay. So today we'll close it here. Tomorrow we'll create the material. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
So today we'll close today's class. Will close it here. Tomorrow we'll understand how to create the material.